Hello, good afternoon students. Welcome to my courtyard. In the last class we have discussed about the importance of chlorophyll, one of the factor for photosynthesis. Today we will be discussing about the importance of other two factors, that is carbon dioxide and sunlight. If all the things are there, photosynthesis will happen and starch will be prepared. So that is why we are performing iodine test for starch. So we have to black out the plants. We have to discharge the plant for 2 to 3 days. Because if sunlight is there, any factor is there, photosynthesis will happen. So to check one by one, sunlight we have to first keep the plant for darkness for 2 to 3 days. How we can do it? We can cover the plant for 2 to 3 days in darkness. We have to keep the plants in darkness for 2 to 3 days. We can cover it with best out of waste. This is best out of waste bin only. So we can cover it instead of closing the lights, everything off. You can keep it like this as it is for 2 to 3 days. Evening time you can on and water it. Okay. So after 2 to 3 days, okay, again you can make the setup, rearrange the setup for conduct of the experiment. So the things to be done, you have to remove, you have to keep the plants in sunlight for again 2 to 3 hours because they are already starved for 3 days. Okay, now we have to perform the experiment. So the following things to be done. So for the influence of sunlight, we have to cover the leaf. You can cover the leaf with black tap. Okay, when sunlight is coming, these black portions will not get the sunlight underneath. You can see here the darkness is there. So the underneath portion, one line will be there, one strip will be there. There sunlight will not fall. So what will happen? Photosynthesis will not happen that particular place except the other areas. Similarly here also the patch is there. Under the patch there will be no sunlight. From atmosphere we are getting all the required things. Water is getting, carbon dioxide is getting, sunlight is getting. But here in this other two samples we can check for the presence of carbohydrate is necessary. So for that what we have to do? We have to keep the two plants, one plant we have to keep potassium hydroxide pellet. Okay, and the other plant leave it free because everything is available now. Okay, so before putting it into sunlight, before the sun comes, what we have to do? We are supposed to cover it with a glass jar. So you can cover it with a glass jar. Okay, you can cover it with glass jar. Now what will happen? Photosynthesis will be started happening slowly. After 3 hours you can see the starch you have done it. Okay, now you have to seal these two things because air may enter through the bottom. So by making use of the batter of wheat, we can seal it, then we can keep it in sunlight. After sealing both these jars, you can see here, you have to keep it for, you can see here in one jar inside there is potassium hydroxide which will absorb the carbon dioxide from inside. So in this jar the plant will not be getting which factor, because inside carbon dioxide is there inside. Here it is, there is no, it is empty. There is no KOH pellet inside. You can see here there is no KOH pellet. But inside this jar, since we have kept KOH pellet, you can see here. So this KOH will absorb all the carbon dioxide from inside. So what happens? Here two factors are there, but one factor is not there. What are the factors available here? Can you tell? Yes, first one is factors available for photosynthesis available here. Because here potassium hydroxide is there. If potassium hydroxide is there, what is the capacity of potassium hydroxide? It will absorb the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide will not be available to this plant. But in the case of here, there is no pellet. So after 3 hours, you can see the result where the photosynthesis might have happened after 3 hours. Similarly here also, if you leave the setup for sunlight, okay, if you leave the setup for sunlight for 3 hours, so then after 3 hours you can see the result. You have to pluck the leaf and do the same test which we have done. How to perform iodine test and what is the characteristic feature. Is it clear? So the result you can analyze this and you can make a video on this. That is very important. Okay. So sunlight is there. After 3 hours, I hope you will do the experiment. After plucking the leaf, one leaf from here with the band one, okay, the other one after 3 hours you have to remove from this, okay, and remove from this. So which one will be having decolorization, that you can find out by analysis. That is up to you to do it. Okay, hope you will do it and make a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye.